episode of Sucker's Garage, and currently I am on the highway, and I've just picked up one of my Turo cars, and I'm going to get it set up and clean and ready for the next guest. And currently I'm crossing the bridge, the beautiful Tampa Bay area. Look at this 21-mile bridge. I think it's 21 miles. It's pretty dang long. It's the Howard Franklin, and yeah. Guys, so I'm finally at the gas station and I am in Tampa, and I brought the car here real quick. I'm gonna give it a quick vacuum. So basically I just came over from St. Petersburg. I'm taking the car over to my lot where the guest is gonna go pick it up tomorrow, and here I'm gonna show you exactly how lenient and how tough you really have to be with the guest. Okay, so in this situation right now, probably not a lot of light, but there's a little bit of sand. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's really, but as you can see, it's really not too dirty. You see, something that you can really just shake off. Same thing here, something you could just shake off. It's not really too dirty. Outside, obviously, it's just a little bit of dust. It gets a little dusty over this, wherever they park it at and all that stuff. But overall, the car looks pretty good. So this guest is not going to encounter a cleaning fee because this is extremely doable. We're at Tampa International Airport in the economy lot on the 6th floor. So you might be wondering, why am I here? Well, this is the area, if you will show please, where we are allowed to do business through Turo and Tampa International Airport after TPA regulations have dictated that that should be the case. What I really wanted to go over today was something that I don't really see many people going over. Turo is a business just like Airbnb. You can do it yourself, or I can do it and help you if you want me to do the management process for you. But say you want to do it yourself, well, you need to take good pictures. Pictures is the whole name of the game when it comes to Turo. So how would you take pictures? Well, people say that it's impossible to take over 50 pictures of a car, but when you're in this business, you find that actually 50 pictures is not a lot. It's actually very quick, and you'll go through it like nothing. And I'll give you an example of how that starts. First pictures that I usually take of the car go from here to the front of the car, right? So we'll take a picture from this distance here. You can see the quarter panel in the front to the door. Then you want to get a close-up of the wheels, like that. Picture should look something, if you let me go, if it can be seen right there. So quarter panel to the door, and then you get a close-up of the wheel. Some people like taking a picture of the tread of the wheel, which I highly encourage. Cars cannot have less than a quarter second. I apologize. Anyways, the next type of picture that you want to take is always get this corner here. So I like to always take two pictures of the corners, one up and one down. Why? Because it gives you a better angle if something were to happen, God forbid, to this beautiful Range Rover. The next picture is in the front. And if you have a wide angle camera, you can only take one picture down here at the bottom, which I highly encourage. This camera does not have a wide angle camera, and still without it, I can take a really awesome picture of the bottom, which I highly encourage. So I already covered the quarter panel to the door, to the corner of the car, to the front, to the bottom. The next pictures that you want to take are the pictures of the interior. The interior of the vehicle, and it's best to get an angle where you're taking pictures here towards the floor mat, and a picture towards the seat. It'll look something like that. Well, put the flash on so you can see the floor mat, but you guys get the gist. So, and then to take a picture of the seat. You want to do that to the front and to the back seats. The next thing you want to take a picture of is the back. You might be asking yourself, why the back? Well, a lot of people put the luggage in the back and they end up scratching the plastic, or I don't know, they stain the carpets. And a lot of the staining really happens down here because people, you know, have products they buy, you know, fruits or God knows what they buy, and it stains the carpets, which is really hard to get out of. And without a picture of it, you can't really have a claim. See, with Turo, everything is about the claim and everything is about documentation. The more documentation you have on the vehicle, the better. And of course, the last pictures that you have to take on the car is really simple. Just take a picture of the mileage and the fuel of the car. Also take pictures of the doors, because the doors do get stained, especially if you have leather seats. Leather gets stained. And that's it, guys. So hopefully this was a very informational video for you guys, and you guys like this. Give me a thumbs up and let me know how I did, okay?